Hi everyone, we're going to be trying a new tool which is adding audio to a Google slide presentation. At first I thought this was actually going to be a recording of your own voice, but the add-on that we will be using only adds audio files, so I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So we're going to first start off with everyone making a copy of their DDD assignment. So everyone in the group should now have their own copy of DDD after you make a copy of it. The next thing we have to do is install the audio player for slides. So I'm going to open up a new tab and I'm just going to Google audio, I can type audio player for Google Slides. We want to select this one that says Audio Player for Slides by EdTech Team. And it's free and we're going to install it. We need to continue. Make sure that we allow. Okay, so now it should have been installed. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to access the free music archive. One of the elements that we need to be mindful of is that even though we own music, whether it's through iTunes or whatever other service, that doesn't mean that we have permission to actually use that music. It's copyright infringement and you could get sued. I mean, the likelihood of that actually happening is very minimal, but we still have to be mindful that being in a library science class, we're not using things that aren't what's called public domain. So if we go to your course, and in the Tech Tools tab, I actually added this free music archive right here. You'll also notice I added some more Pixabay public domain pictures, etc., so that when we're finding pictures to use, we have more options. So I'm going to click Free Music Archive, and I can search by genre, I can look at the charts, I can look at whatever I want. For simplicity, I'm going to go to Jazz, and I'm going to select anyone for now. Okay, so I want this one and I'm going to download it to my computer. So the only way I can actually insert music into my slide is if then I upload it to my Google Drive. So I download it to my computer. Now I need to go to Google Drive and I need to upload new upload file, and I'm going to find that on my computer, which was fascinating. Oops. There it is. And I'm going to open it, and it will now upload to my drive. So if I go back to my slides, I'm going to refresh it because I installed the add-on. So I want to make sure that I refresh it so that it reflects that. Then I'm going to select add-ons and notice how it says Audio Player for Slides by EdTech Team. And I'm going to open that file. So if I had more music in my Google Drive, it would show over here on the right. But since I only have one, that's the only one I'm going to select. I can add a stop after time. I can loop the current song, I can do all of that stuff. But once you're done with that, I want you to take a screenshot. So I'm going to look at my keyboard and hit print screen for 3 seconds. And to submit my document, my assignment, I'm going to open up a Google Doc. And I'm going to title it with my name. And proof of audio in slides, and then I will paste my accomplishment, and there it is. once I were to log off, this accomplishment would go away. So on the right-hand side, if I were to switch out of here, the music would go away. So it's only meant to occur during presentation. Once you guys are done with doing all of this, in the comments area, not on this particular one, but see where it says add class comment, I want you to rate the product. So do you, just like as people have rated here, do you feel that this is a useful product? How do you see it helping you? Do you think it isn't worthwhile, etc.? So that is what you're going to rate there in the comments and then turn in your assignment. So hopefully that was a helpful tutorial. All the steps are in Google Classroom. If you need any other help, I am always here to assist you. Thanks.